I know that you've always been looking for ways to generate money online, and you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be learning a new method of earning through PayPal by simply liking and enjoying recording or videos online. What a convenient and easy way to learn, right? But make sure that you don't miss anything important on this, so stay with me as we move along. This is also fantastic because it's available for everybody no matter where you are in a world. It doesn't require any skills or experience at all. Just a disclaimer: this won't make you crazy rich, but it will surely help pay your bills, so please stay with me until the end. But before we start, welcome to Earn and Grow, where we teach you how to making money online is the simplest way to make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever do you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Welcome again to my channel. We will be teaching you today a new way to make money online, and without a doubt I will be introducing this new website to you, which is called rapidworkers.com. Head over to your browser and just put in rapidworkers.com. As it said here on their homepage, Rapid Worker is a crowdsourced carrier with more than 100,000 employees. It also states here that they help individuals, small groups and professionals to create low-value exposure and advertising and marketing campaigns to boost sales to better their ranking backlinks. Now that you want to become a worker on this website, goes to the micro jobs that they have available to pick the activity that you like and the one task that you want to complete, then submit proof. After that, you earn money through this website, and you can cash out using PayPal Cash or switch to other methods that you can see right here. Now I'm trying to demonstrate to you how to sign up. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video and click on this button, and it should take you to this a page where you need to fill out all of the required information. Type in your name, email address, password, and country you can see from this list. After that, you must affirm or verify that you're not a robot, and just like that you're essentially finished with setting up your account. Remember the rules that they've set up for you and make it a point to follow them so that you can spend more time on the site. For example, you're not permitted to use VPN or any other type of hiding IP program. You're not permitted to use multiple records with the same IP or to use shared or public Wi-Fi, and you're also not permitted to use the same IP with different sites. You're not allowed to handle tasks connected to the country you're not from, so make you follow all of these. Remember that if you break any of these rules, you could be banned, so don't waste. So once you've completed the profile, they'll ask you to confirm your email. Go to your email inbox and click on the link in the email that they've sent you. You can now check your record and just sign it, as you can see on your dashboard now shows, and on top of that you can monitor many things such as your all-out stores, absolute withdrawals, and a variety of other things. Here are some things that I may have forgotten to mention. You can get recompensed $1 to $5 just for signing up, and the earning potential on this site is incredible. Furthermore, you can do this at any time. There is absolutely no limit. As you can see when you look through the page, there are various undertakings that you can do, each with its installments. They are all very simple, and you can see the totality that you can obtain for each errand when you look through the page. Each of them only requires minutes of your time. Keep an eye out for tasks that aren't marked global or named by the country of your starting point, as it is against the principles to take on positions that aren't suggested for your own country, keep an eye out for that global one, especially if you remember that I said before that our tasks that include liking videos. So in the search bar here, I'd like you to search for YouTube and click on this button, after which you could arrange the positions according to how much money you could gain by completing them. Simply click on that and we'll be able to see the most profitable assignments first. Wouldn't you agree that it's amazing? Let's take a closer look at this task. It will give us this much money if we finish it in this amount of time, and as you can see, it will direct us to the page where we can view all of that information. We should be able to complete this task. Now all that you have to do is follow the directions to complete the work, and you will be paid when you are through. As simple as that, and that's it. This has been Earn and Grow. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.